Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hi all.
And today I thought we'd have a quick little video about the RX Memorial Fighter. Or is it the Memorial? Fighter Buggy. The other day we ran the Rising Fighter, didn't we, Rob?
We did.
A little track, and we showed just how much hopping it was doing. And we thought this is a similar kind of chassis design, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
So you've got that kind of what's it called? Single
wishbone.
Yeah, lower wishbone. What's it called when it goes up and down?
Cantilever. Is it?
Anyway, it's not double wishbone, so it moves in the same way as the Rising Fighter. And at the back, again, very similar. It's got that kind of brace in the middle, so it moves from side to side. But my Rising Fighter had a brace on as well.
It did.
But this seems to handle rather well for what it is. So we'll have a look. What we'll do is we'll run it a few times around the track and get some footage and compare it to the hopping that the Rising Fighter did the other day. Yeah, just see what you think.
Let's get it on, dude.
Let's do it, mate. Here we go then. You all right, Rob?
I am.
That.
Yeah.
So steady start. It's not hopping too bad, is it?
No.
Give it a bit more juice then. A little bit of hopping there.
Yeah, well look how rough the ground is, dude.
See down here. That's not bad at all, is it?
Oh, that was
acrobatics, mate.
He did. He ended up on his wheels.
Bit of understeer there. I've got to say, I can really tell the difference, Bob. Say, it does off.
It does.
Yeah, I think it's going a bit straighter than the other one.
Just a bit.
Yeah, I'd say it's quite a big difference, too. It's nice when you flip the back end out.
Cheers.
Oh, it's kicking the back end out again. Flat out. Ooh. Can't control it, Rob. I'm flat out. The stock silver cannon isn't going too slow either, is it?
No.
I think it's, yeah, you can see the difference, guys, once you get going with it.
Did you nearly turn in too early then, sir?
Oh yeah, I was trying to flip the back end, mate. Doing a bit of a Scandi flick there, look. There's been rear wheel drive.
Oh!
More stunts. When it does hop, it hops, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
Just give it another lap or so, see how it goes. Yeah, I think I'm definitely lapping quicker with this one. Could actually time it, couldn't we, Rob?
We could.
Video. Real time video. Yeah. Hops a bit more through that long grass, but on the straight, I'd say it's much better. A bit of understeer. Yeah. Oh, too tight. Turns into there nice. Whoa, back end switch. When you hit a big bump, it definitely does a bit of a hop, doesn't it?
Just a bit, yes sir.
Over the normal kind of terrain, it's yeah, goes into there nice. I like this. Whoa, that was a hop and a half.
Oh,
nearly hit the tree.
Oh, there we go.
There we go, mate. So I don't know. I don't know if you can see through the camera lens, but all in all, I'm quite impressed with that.
Yeah.
It does hop around a bit, but it's quite easy to handle, really. I'm very impressed. So yeah, nice one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.